Good day everyone, and today I'll be presenting the prototype of my system called Attendis, an admin attendance management system. The goal of this system is to make recording and monitoring attendance more efficiently and organized. For administrations, the design structure of this prototype are based on my mood board, which focus on simplicity, clarity, and professional design. Now, let's begin with the login page. This is the first screen that means see upon opening the system. At the top, you can see attendees, log, and below is the login form containing two input fields. One is username, the other one is password. There's also a login button style with soft blue color and rounded corners following the color palette from my mood board. The overall design is clean and simplicity making it easy for the admin access the system. Once the correct credentials are entered, the admin is directed to the dashboard. This. Now let's proceed to the dashboard page. This serves at the home section of the system. On the left side, you can see the sidebar navigation panel containing such as dashboard, attendance, profile, and logout. The dashboard provides weekly overview of welcoming layout for the admin to easily navigate between page. The color scheme is consistent green for the sidebar, white background, and gray icons. We'll take from the mood board. The design reflects modern simplicity with enough space and balance to ensure readability and professional appearance. Next is we go to attendance page. This. The tables is organized in the three main columns: student, date, and status. As see here, each student names appears on the left, the date of attendance in the middle, and in their status on the right. The status colors provide clear visual cause green text for present and red for absent. These use colors improve readability and allows the admin to easily identify attendance trends. The entire layout showing that the system values both functionality and UI consistency. Next, we go to profile page. The profile page allows the admin to view and manage personal information. Here the admin can update details such as name, email, or password. The interface follows the same design system, simple and clear, consistent with the rest of the prototype. By maintaining a uniform style, it creates a seamless experience for the users. Now, log out. Log out functionality. We have log out option located at the bottom of the sidebar. Once clicked, surely logs the admin out and returns to login page. This function ensures privacy and security by pretending unauthorized access after the session. This. In terms of UI UX design, I made sure to apply all the visual elements from my mood board. The green color represent growth, productivity, and calmness. The fonts use Simpson and Century Gothic give a balance between modern and formal aesthetics. Rounded, rounded shapes and icons and soft, friendly look to the interface. The flow of navigation is logical and easy to understand, showing its clear hierarchy and visual consistency across all pages. In summary, my system attendees focuses for making attendance management simple and efficiently for administrator. Through clean UI design, color harmony, and functionality layout, it achieves both for usability and professionality quality. That concludes my prototype presentation for attendees admin system. Thank you for watching.